So Saturday, I'm heading to Sound FX car and truck show in Bridgeville, Delaware. I met Brandon and we're heading there right now. I'll get the videos up on YouTube from Carlisle. I've just been really busy at work and stuff like that. And I got a sample of a wrap that I'm going to wrap the cat out in. It's going to be orange with gold in it. It's going to be different, really different. So, yeah. Catch y'all on the show. Peace. Sunday. I didn't leave that show until 9:30. I went to my friend's house, Jamil, stayed there. So I'm heading back home right now. But it was a great show. I had fun, had fireworks and all, like everything like that at the end. And they made me do the hot dog eating challenge, a contest. Never again. I went to the porta potty like 3 times, but I gotta wait for the video to get sent to me, and I'll put it in my new video I do. So, but yeah, still got downloaded videos for Truck Nationals. That'll be up soon, hopefully. I might start working on it when I get home. And yeah, so I don't know what show is gonna be next. Don't know, but whatever show it is, I'm recording it. If it's big enough, I'm gonna record it and put on YouTube. And hopefully the black trucks can wrap soon. I picked out the color for it. It's like a light orange, goldish color with flakes in it. So it'll look really good and be really different. So I don't want my cat eye to look like every other cat eye around here. Everyone lifts them, or everyone just levels them, and they all look pretty much the same. And I don't want to drive something like that. So hence why I never changed the bed on ABS, because no one in my area has this kind of truck, really. And if they are, usually beat up or they're single cabs. So, yeah. But again, I appreciate the support. I appreciate everyone following me, watching my stuff, and subscribing. It means a lot. So, yeah. So until next time, you all be safe. Enjoy your lives. Let shit happen, because that's life. So, until next time, peace.